In this video, I would explain to you 11 signs a woman is in love with you. Can you ever truly decipher a woman's emotions? While it might seem like a mystery, there are often telltale signs that a woman is strongly attracted to you. Try to watch this video to the end, because I have a bonus tip for you towards the end of this video. Here are 11 signs that she might be falling for you. Number 1. She makes time for you. In our busy world, free time is precious. If she consistently makes an effort to see you, it shows she prioritizes you. Number 2. She remembers the little things. Does she recall details you mentioned in passing, like your favorite band or a childhood dream? It signifies she listens attentively and cares about you. Before we move to the third signs, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. It doesn't cost any money. Please do this to support us. Thanks, as you do so. Let's continue. Number 3. Her body language speaks volumes. Pay attention to nonverbal cues, leaning in close during conversation, making eye contact, or mirroring your gestures are potential indicators of interest. Number 4. She goes out of her way for you. Does she bring you soup when you're sick or offer to help you with a chore? These acts of service show she cares for your well-being. Number 5. She initiates communication. If she frequently texts you or calls to start conversations, it suggests she enjoys your company and wants to stay connected. Number 6. She introduces you to her inner circle. When she includes you in social gatherings with friends or family, it indicates she values your presence in her life. Number 7. She supports your dreams. Does she encourage your goals and celebrate your achievements? Her enthusiasm for your success is a sign she's invested in you. Number 8. She trusts you and confides in you. Sharing personal stories and vulnerabilities demonstrates a deep emotional connection and trust. Number 9. She gets jealous a little. A healthy dose of jealousy can indicate she cares about you and doesn't want to lose you. However, excessive jealousy can be a red flag. Number 10. She says it sometimes. Not all women readily express their emotions verbally, but if she utters those 3 little words, it's a clear sign she cares for you deeply. Number 11. She's honest and open with you. If she feels comfortable sharing her true thoughts and feelings with you, even if they're negative or critical, it shows a deep level of trust and respect. Now, the bonus tip. In this bonus tips, I will point out some mixed signals that would make you know a woman is in love with you. Point number 1. She fights for you. Healthy relationships involve occasional disagreements, but if she's willing to put in the effort to work through conflict and find solutions, it indicates she values the relationship. Point number 2. She includes you in her future plans. Does she talk about future vacations, holidays, or even moving in together? Talking about long-term plans suggests she sees you in her future. Point number 3. She makes sacrifices for you. Relationships are about give and take. If she's willing to compromise or make adjustments for you, it shows she prioritizes your happiness. Point number 4. She's your biggest cheerleader. Your biggest supporter is often the woman who loves you. She celebrates your wins and motivates you through challenges. It's important to remember that these signs can vary depending on the individual. Open communication is key in any relationship. If you're wondering if a woman feels more than friendship for you, have a genuine conversation and see where things go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in our next video.